Hey everyone, in this video I'll explain how to install Android apps on a Samsung Tizen Smart TV. Let's begin. On Samsung Smart TVs made by Samsung Electronics, you cannot directly download or install APK files. Here's why. APK files are designed only for the Android operating system, which is developed by Google. Samsung Smart TVs do not run Android. Instead, they use Samsung's own operating system called Tizen OS. Because of this, Android APK apps are not compatible with Samsung Smart TVs, so even if you open the browser on your TV and download an APK file, you still won't be able to install it. There is no official setting, developer option, or supported method that allows APK installation directly on Samsung TVs and TVs. Now let's talk about what actually works. If you want to use Android apps on your Samsung TV, the correct method is to use an external Android-based device. You can connect an Android TV box, an Amazon Fire TV stick, or another Android streaming device to your Samsung TV using an HDMI cable. Once connected, you can install APK files on that external Android device, not on the Samsung TV itself. This is the easiest and most reliable way to use Android apps on a Samsung Tizen TV. Another option is screen mirroring or screencasting. You can install the Android app on your phone or tablet and then mirror your screen to the Samsung TV. This allows you to view the app on a larger screen. However, keep in mind that the app is still running on your phone, not directly on the TV. So remember this clearly, downloading and installing APK files directly on a Samsung Tizen Smart TV is not supported. Thanks for watching.